Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ways to Learn English. My name is Alex, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hi everyone, my name is Lena and I'm learning English with you.
This podcast is made for people who want to improve their English by listening to calm, natural conversations. No pressure, no stress, just real English you can enjoy.
And remember, you don't need to understand everything. Just relax and listen. Your brain is learning while you listen.
That's right. Today's topic is very useful in daily life. We're going to talk about your plans and the future in simple English.
I often don't know how to talk about the future. I only know I will, but it feels too formal sometimes.
That's a great point. In English, there are many simple and natural ways to talk about future plans. Today, we'll practice a few easy ones. First, just listen and relax. Hey Lena, do you have any plans for today?
Not many plans. I'm going to finish my work and then relax at home.
That sounds nice. Are you going to do anything special this weekend?
Maybe I might meet a friend for coffee, but I'm not sure yet.
That's okay. Sometimes it's nice to keep plans flexible. Do you have any plans for next week?
Next week, I'm going to start a new project. I feel a little nervous, but also excited.
That new project sounds exciting. What kind of project is it?
It's a small project for my work. I'll be working with a new team, so I feel a little nervous.
That makes sense. Working with new people can feel uncomfortable at first.
Yes, I'm worried I won't understand everything in English.
That's a very honest feeling. But remember, you don't need to understand everything perfectly. You can ask people to repeat things or speak more slowly.
That's true. Remembering that helps me feel calmer.
Good. So besides work, do you have any personal plans for the future?
I do. I want to improve my English and feel more confident speaking.
That's a great goal. Do you have a small plan for how you'll do that?
I'm going to listen to English every day, even if it's only for 10 or 15 minutes.
That's perfect. Small daily habits are powerful.
In the future, I also want to travel more.
That's a wonderful dream. Is there a place you want to visit one day?
I'd love to visit another country where people speak English, maybe the UK or the US.
That's a great idea. Traveling helps you practice real English in real life.
Yes, I imagine myself ordering coffee in English and talking to people.
That's a great image. Visualizing your future can help motivate you.
Sometimes I'm scared that my English won't be good enough.
That fear is very common. But your English doesn't need to be perfect. People usually appreciate the effort you make.
That's comforting to hear.
And remember, every time you practice, you're moving closer to that future version of yourself.
That makes me feel hopeful.
Good. Hope is important when learning something new.
Yes, exactly. I hope it goes well.
I'm sure it will. Just take it one step at a time. Now, let's look at some useful phrases from our conversation.
You said, do you have any personal plans for the future?
Yes. Personal plans means plans for your own life, not just work or school.
You also said, do you have a small plan for how you'll do that?
Right. This is a very gentle way to ask about someone's plan. You can use it like this: how will you do that? Or, do you have a small plan?
I said, I want to improve my English.
That's a great future sentence. I want to is very natural for goals and dreams.
You said, that's a great goal.
Yes. You can say this to encourage someone. It shows support and positivity.
And you said, visualizing your future can help motivate you.
Exactly. Visualize means to imagine something in your mind. It's a helpful learning habit.
You asked, do you have any plans for today?
Yes, that's a very natural way to ask about someone's future. You can change today to this weekend, tomorrow, or next week.
I said, I'm going to finish my work.
Great example. I'm going to is a very common and natural way to talk about future plans. For example, I'm going to study English later. I'm going to make dinner.
I also said, I might meet a friend.
Yes. Might means you're not 100% sure. It's possible, but not confirmed. For example, I might go for a walk later.
You said, sometimes it's nice to keep plans flexible.
Right. To keep plans flexible means you don't decide everything. You stay open to change.
And I said, I hope it goes well.
That's a very natural phrase. You can say this when you wish something good for the future. For example, I hope your test goes well. I hope you have a good day. Now let's practice these phrases together. Say them out loud if you can.
I'm ready.
Do you have any plans for today?
Do you have any plans for today?
I'm going to relax at home.
I'm going to relax at home.
I might meet a friend.
I might meet a friend.
I hope it goes well.
I hope it goes well.
Great job. These phrases are very useful for everyday conversations. Let's do another practice. Remember to take notes if you wish.
Okay, I will write it down.
I want to improve my English.
I want to improve my English.
In the future, I want to travel.
In the future, I want to travel.
I'm going to practice English every day.
I'm going to practice English every day.
I hope my plans go well.
I hope my plans go well.
Excellent. These sentences are simple but very powerful for talking about your future. Here are a few more easy future phrases you can use. Later today, I'm going to. Tomorrow, I'm going to. This weekend, I'm planning to.
So I can say, this weekend, I'm planning to rest.
Exactly. I'm planning to is another natural way to talk about your plans. Here's a small listening tip. When you hear future sentences in English, listen for the time words. Words like today, tomorrow, this weekend, next week, in the future.
Those words help me understand when something will happen.
Exactly. Even if you don't understand every word, time words give you the main idea. Now, let's do a short role play. This is a simple conversation you might have with a friend or coworker. Just listen and relax.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hey Lena, do you have any plans for this weekend?
I don't have many plans yet. I might stay at home and rest.
That sounds nice. Sometimes resting is the best plan. Are you going to study any English this weekend?
Yes, I think so. I'm going to listen to a podcast and review some words.
That's a great plan. Studying a little every day helps a lot.
Do you have any plans?
I'm going to take a long walk and maybe meet a friend. If the weather is nice, I'll go to the park.
That sounds relaxing. Do you usually make plans, or do you decide on the day?
It depends. Sometimes I plan ahead. Sometimes I decide at the last minute.
I do that too. If I feel tired, I change my plans.
That's completely okay. Plans can change, and that's normal. Let's listen to one more short conversation about future dreams.
Okay.
Lena, where do you see yourself in a few years?
I hope I feel more confident speaking English. I also hope I can travel more.
That's a beautiful goal. Do you think your future self will thank you for practicing now?
Yes, I think so. Even small practice today helps my future self.
That's a powerful way to think about learning. You're helping your future self, little by little.
That makes me want to practice more.
Good. That's the mindset we want. This week's small challenge is simple. Try to say one sentence about your future each day.
For example, tomorrow I'm going to practice English. Or, this weekend I might relax at home.
Yes, say it out loud if you can. Your voice matters. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. Before closing the episode, let's pause for 5 seconds. Think about one thing you're going to do tomorrow. Don't speak yet. Just think.
Now say it quietly to yourself.
Even thinking in English helps your brain practice. Many listeners might think, I'm afraid to make mistakes.
If you feel that way, you're not alone. Making mistakes is part of learning.
Every mistake is progress. Thank you for listening to episode 5 of Ways to Learn English.
We're happy you're here learning with us.
In the next episode, we'll talk about simple English for talking about your hobbies and interests.
So stay with us, keep listening, and keep practicing.
Remember,
You can learn English.
one conversation at a time. See you in the next episode, and feel free to listen to our earlier episodes too.
And don't forget to subscribe.